Hello dear friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to draw Yosemite Sam from Looney Tunes. Okay, so I'm going to start with bold marker pen directly. Okay, so we will draw his nose first. We will start with the nose. Okay, and from there we will draw his eyes. Okay, now this is symbolic of his thick eyebrows. His eyebrows covering the entire area of his eyes. Okay. Right? And now his mustache. He's got a huge, thick, voluminous mustache. Okay. And the cloth that is tied around his neck, that's the scarf, yellow scarf. You can see his ears here. Okay. This is the big buckle of his belt, typical of cowboy. And his wide belt. and his boots. I will fill it with black right here. Okay, so now we got to draw his hands. Now hands on this side as well. Take care that both the hands should be almost identical in size. So that's one tricky part that you have to take care of while drawing symmetrical images. Because you can use a stencil for drawing regular figures, but you can't do that in. Okay, I think it's almost identical. Now what remains is his hat. His cowboy hat that is very big. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to color it. Okay, we're going to start with orange. I think his nose should have been a bit more bigger. That is one mistake that I have done here. But it happens. And yellow for his scarf. And the buckle of his belt as well. And I'm going to take this red. This is maroon red for his shirt. Okay, so that is over. And blue for his pants, supposed to be jeans, because cowboys wear jeans pants. Okay, and now I'm going to use this yellow ochre color to color his hat. I'm going to use it lightly, not coloring it generously, because his hat is light in color, so I don't want to put too much of color there. That will take away the importance of his face. So just add light color so that it doesn't look white. Okay, so that is over. I'm going to use this chocolate brown for his belt. Okay, so that's done. I think we have completed. Yes, nothing more remains. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and doing it along with me. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another